Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Interact with Intellect. In the first chapter, we discussed about the fundamental concepts of strategic management. We talked about strategic position analysis, strategic choices, and strategic action. In chapter 2, which we are about to start now, we'll be starting the strategic position analysis. As we discussed earlier, in strategic position analysis, there are three elements. The first element is the external environment, the analysis of external environment. The second element is the stakeholder analysis, and the third one is the internal strengths and weaknesses. In this chapter, we'll take a detailed look at how we are going to conduct environmental analysis. Whenever we talk about the term environment, it can be divided into multiple layers. If you look around you, there is an immediate environment that is around you, the room you are sitting in. Then there is something outside the room, your house, the street you live in, the area you live in. And then there is this, the bigger environment that you are living in. That is your country, that includes your city, and so on and so forth. So similarly, organizations also live in an environment where there is an immediate environment, there is this bigger environment, and then there is this macro environment. So when we are conducting the analysis, we'll divide these into these three layers and we'll conduct the analysis one by one. When we talk about the macro environment, we are actually talking about all those major factors that might influence us as an organization and which are coming from the bigger picture. For example, the political and the economic scenario of the country. What are the situations? How our country is actually designed? How this particular region is actually made? This has an impact on how we are going to operate. So this is basically the macro level of environmental analysis. So the most commonly used model for macro level environment analysis is the PESTEL model. You must have heard of PESTEL model earlier as well, but in this case we'll take a detailed look at that.